everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now summer has approached a little too early and too quickly this time, but if the rising temperatures tell us anything, it just screams out that we need to be prepared for it. So today I'm going to share with you a list of some summer beauty essentials that are extremely important for me and that I cannot do without. What's the point of using a foundation when you know that it's going to melt off in no time? So instead of using cakey formulas, I would really recommend you all to go for a lightweight BB cream like this one by Pond's. It's lightweight, gives instant spot coverage, nourishes, protects and gives that light summer glow. So I'm a sucker when it comes to delicious perfumes. I totally love using them. So I've got something new for you. This one is Oh So Pistachio by Plum Body Lovin'. Now, how do I explain this? This one is not just a perfume, it's a complete vibe in itself. I mean, if you can imagine walking through a French cafe where there are hot pastries, like warm pastries, also some sweet buns. It's just the right mix of sweet, fresh notes, cozy yet breezy. So it's got pistachio, hazelnut, cocoa and a hint of peony as its top notes. I use this on a everyday basis, but you know, whenever I smell of this, it just takes me and transfers me to a vacation spot. So it gives me that holiday vibe at the same time. I also like their Vanilla Caramello. Now this one is one of their signature scents which I've been using for quite some time. This is actually my second purchase for the same. Whenever I used to apply this, I was complimented so much by people around me because I actually smelled like a desert, if that explains what I'm trying to say. Now if I have to explain the fragrance of this to you, imagine of warm vanilla, salted caramel and nutty pistachio base. Now these are exactly the top notes of this perfume. So both these perfumes have a very different vibe from each other. If I have to explain it, I would say that Vanilla Caramello is great for a romantic date night because it gives that luxurious feeling. And also pistachio is great for everyday use, but it also gives me that holiday vibe, so it can be your next vacation essential. So you can buy these perfumes from the official website of plumgoodness.com and the Plum app. For an additional discount, I have a coupon code for you all which will be mentioned right here on the screen and in the information box below as well. So definitely check them out. I will have all the links in the information box below. A weightless all-rounder face mist comes extremely handy for this hot season, like this one by Plum. This is the niacinamide and rice water toner. It can be used as a makeup remover, toner, astringent, face mist all in one. It is extremely important to use a heat protectant in order to protect your hair from the sun damage, dust, pollution and also the heating tools that it's extremely important to use a very good heat protection for your hair because your hair also gets damaged, right? I mean, you need to protect your hair from the sun damage, from the dust, pollution and also the heating tools that you use during this time. So the BBlunt's Hot Shot Heat Protection Mist is extremely useful. It shields your hair from heat up to 230 degrees, which is a lot, and keeps the hair smooth and healthy. For a more natural lip pigment, I really like using the Maybelline's Superstay Teddy Tint, which delivers 12 hours of long-lasting pigment. It is creamy in texture that glides on smoothly, is super lightweight and lasts all day. I'm actually wearing it right now on my lips and I also double this up for my cheeks as a blush because it's so hot. I really like using cream products on my cheeks for a blush. It's extremely imperative to get yourself dunked into a sunscreen no matter what your complexion is, how fair or dark you are, you're living in a hilly area or near the equator, it doesn't matter. You just need to use a sunscreen on a daily basis, for which I really like using this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris UV Defender Invisible Resist Daily Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 and is a super lightweight formula that just glides on super smoothly. It doesn't give any white cast and has an air thin texture. So it's going to protect your face from the dark spots to happen further, and also from any sort of sun damage if you're exposed outdoors. So you don't need to hide yourself from the sun anymore. So these are my summer beauty essentials that I think are very, very important for me. They're like truly my essentials, which I need all of them on an everyday basis. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.